Hello, hello everyone. This is only a recommendation while waiting for pre-launching. Okay, this is based in our website as of the moment that we have it here. So this is only a recommendation based on my experience. So at the top are the pages. So if possible, we have our product and services here. Contact us will be here with the social media logo or the social media that we have over here. Submit information 600 movers, $600 movers over here, and submit regular members of $15. We can put $15 over here. So this one, it has a different forms. So 600, it has different forms, and we can limit only the submission depending on how many availability slots or available slots. Okay. So this one also for the regular membership, it's unlimited. We can get unlimited spots, and yeah. So at least it's unlimited. Then also, yeah, I think we have okay format because sometimes, especially if they're not techie, they don't know how to do drop down like this one here currently. This one they don't know even what is this. I know there's some more, but they don't know what is that, right? So product and services and contact. It it should be visible at the top because sometimes they don't know. Uh, Mostly that's my experience, and yeah, at least we will minimize the email support or something like that. All right. So yeah, then at least that's why I suggest that we ask for or we can enroll already for a member. At least during the pre-launch or launching, we have a lot of people. We have a lot of people that is member already. Okay, so hopefully that helps. And also, okay, and also based on my experience, if possible, we have a sales funnel. This is what we call the sales funnel. So it's like this is the prospect or the source. This is the prospect or the source. Then the prospect will gonna go to a form that will ask only name and email. Okay, name and email, and we can put a video or just name and email. Then the thank you page will show them who is WAGLI or we are living a good life. Then at the bottom, they can choose either they want to be a mover for the 600 or they want to be a member. So every button will be linked to another page or form that's explaining how they will submit or sign up. But mostly they will be the same. So which means we're gonna give them instruction how to do this form. So make sure fill up first name, last name, email, address, phone, sponsor name, member photo ID, which is the one that we're gonna be member, and also the receipt. Okay, because without those, it will not gonna be submit. Okay, so yeah, and just in case they don't want to be a member, that's fine. At least we get the name and email. So it will gonna go to CRM, for example, get response or click funnels, something like that. So we can follow them up, like after 1 minute, after 30 minutes, 1 day, something like that, and so forth. So what are we gonna send? First, of course, we're gonna remind them, just in case they miss it. So we'll explain this one also. We're gonna send them this one, the link, or the this one. When they click the link, then we're gonna show this one for the first follow up. Then second, then we can send them testimonials, benefits of being a member, how he or she can help our kababayan to get affordable or her or his family in the Philippines. And yeah, so after that, when they submit, mostly it's all the same. Or we can just put here at the top or at the title, it's a 600 mover or the $15 membership. And there's a video at the top explaining how they can do it or filling this up. And also um, on the video, yeah, I think video is fine. It's better. So video instructing them how to do this form. So the same thing as the $15. Okay. And also at the bottom we can write a message that membership or monthly $8 will continue after the launching and on the second month. $15 covered first month and something like that. Okay, so after submitting of the form, what they will see or what we can see in our back office. So we can see this one. As you can see, I put test one WALGLI. So on the entries, ito yung dito natin yung hinihingi natin dito. Ito yung makikita natin sa mga entries. So export naman, we can export it as a CSV or Excel file. Excel file is ito, or CSV, we can download it, then upload it on our Google Excel or Microsoft Excel. So what we can see over there is the name, email, address, phone number, sponsor, da da da. And also, whoever submitted first, it will gonna be numbered. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, there's also the submission date and time. So like this one, I submit them very quickly. So it's like a 38 seconds difference, 38 seconds difference, and it's still recorded there. So if the information are correct, everything are verified. So of course, first come, first serve. Okay. So I think that's it. Hopefully this helped. So if you have any question, please let me know.